Sister, keep your head up. My brother, life goes on. Let me take some time to share what's deep inside of me. Finding it hard to dodge catastrophe. They always up in my face. I find it hard to replace the happiness that the rain takes away from me. You ask me what the big deal is. I got so many heavy burdens, I'm finding it hard to deal with. I can get hard, but I ain't gon' give it. I scan all my sins and yet the Lord keeps giving. It's like He's giving me life, such a beautiful wife. I've been through struggle and strife. And how do I repay Him? We good with my G's, learning to plot schemes on the enemy. I'm sorry for all the trouble I caused, but back in my day I was surrounded by the bad boys. I'm trying not to be humble. If you ever need a final disciple, no matter how hard we try, can't stop the rain from falling. Cause when it does, it usually pours. And when it's too cold to go outside, sister, keep your head up. My brother, life goes on. No matter how hard we try, can't stop the rain from falling. Cause when it does, it usually pours. And when it's too cold to go outside, sister, keep your head up. My brother, life goes on. If I survive the world with stormy weather, then tomorrow's gonna be a breeze. Taking each day as it comes is a mission, living how I believe. Now would you take me serious if I told you I was a G? So you were given your life, but this life was given to me. That's why you find me in the studio with Jack MC, Track and Big J. I'll probably be in the booth, singing my troubles away. Taking my struggle and strive, throw it up in the rhyme and turn the negative into a good time. And when it rains, it pours, just keep my head up and walk, cause things are bound to clear up around here sometime. No matter how hard we try, can't stop the rain from falling. Cause when it does, it usually pours. And when it's too cold to go outside, sister, keep your head up. My brother, life goes on. No matter how hard we try, can't stop the rain from falling. Cause when it does, it usually pours. And when it's too cold to go outside, sister, keep your head up. My brother, life goes on. No matter how hard we try, can't stop the rain from falling. Cause when it does, it usually pours. And when it's too cold to go outside, sister, keep your head up. My brother, life